In a landmark decision, Kansas's highest court has reaffirmed that the state constitution protects abortion access, striking down key anti-abortion laws. This move marks a significant victory for reproductive rights advocates and sets a precedent for other states in the Midwest. On Friday, the Kansas Supreme Court issued two pivotal 5-1 decisions that invalidate a ban on a common second trimester abortion procedure and overturn laws that impose stricter regulations on abortion providers compared to other healthcare providers. Nancy Northup, president and CEO of the Center for Reproductive Rights, celebrated the ruling, stating, "This is an immense victory for the health, safety, and dignity of people in Kansas and the entire Midwestern region, where millions have been cut off from abortion access." The decisions come nearly 2 years after Kansas voters decisively affirmed abortion rights in a statewide vote. This was the first such vote following the U.S. Supreme Court's 2022 Dobbs decision, which allowed states to ban abortion altogether. Kansas voters rejected a proposed constitutional amendment that would have declared no right to abortion in the state constitution. Justice Evelyn Wilson, appointed by Democratic Governor Laura Kelly, referenced the 2022 vote in her opinion, stating, "The people spoke with their votes, the results were accepted by the people, and Kansas showed the world how things are done in a successful democracy." Neither of the struck-down laws had been enforced due to ongoing lawsuits. Other legal challenges are currently targeting restrictions on medication abortions, teleconferences between doctors and patients, and mandatory waiting periods. Justice Caleb Stegall, the lone dissenter and an appointee of former Republican Governor Sam Brownback, warned that the court's decisions could undermine numerous health and safety regulations. He wrote, "The majority has put the entire administrative state on the chopping block of strict scrutiny." The implications of these rulings extend far beyond Kansas. The state has become a haven for patients from neighboring states like Oklahoma and Texas, where abortion is heavily restricted or banned. In 2023, Kansas saw approximately 20,000 abortions, a 152% increase from 2020. The Guttmacher Institute, which supports abortion rights, reported this dramatic increase, highlighting Kansas as a critical access point for abortion services in the region. Reactions to the court's decisions have been polarized. Abortion rights advocates celebrate the reaffirmation of constitutional protections, while opponents express concern over the future of long-standing restrictions. Danielle Underwood from Kansans for Life, an influential anti-abortion group, stated, "It hurts to say, 'We told you so,' to the many Kansans who were misled by the abortion industry's assurances that it would still be heavily regulated if voters rejected the 2022 amendment." The two laws struck down include a ban on a specific dilation and evacuation procedure, commonly used in second trimester abortions, and health and safety regulations that singled out abortion providers. Justice Melissa Standridge, writing for the majority, noted that these regulations did not improve patient health outcomes and were likely designed to shut down clinics. She emphasized that existing abortion care is extremely safe and comparable to other medical procedures not covered by these regulations. While Kansas does not ban most abortions until the 22nd week of pregnancy and requires parental consent for minors, many other restrictions are currently under legal scrutiny. The state's Supreme Court rulings may pave the way for further challenges to existing laws. Kansas has a long history of enacting stringent abortion laws. This trend became particularly pronounced under Republican Governor Sam Brownback, who served from 2011 to 2018. During his tenure, Kansas saw a significant increase in anti-abortion legislation, including mandatory waiting periods, parental consent requirements, and strict clinic regulations. These measures were often justified on the grounds of protecting women's health, although critics argued they were designed to restrict access to abortion. The impact of these laws has been profound, leading to numerous legal battles and the closure of several clinics. Despite these challenges, abortion providers and advocates have continued to fight for reproductive rights, culminating in the recent Supreme Court decisions. Public opinion in Kansas has played a crucial role in shaping the state's abortion laws. In August 2022, Kansas voters made a historic decision to protect abortion rights, rejecting a proposed constitutional amendment that would have declared no right to abortion. This vote came shortly after the U.S. Supreme Court's Dobbs decision, which allowed states to impose their own abortion bans. The decisive outcome of the 2022 vote demonstrated strong public support for abortion rights despite the conservative political climate. This public mandate has influenced the legal landscape and reinforced the state's constitutional protections for abortion. Abortion providers in Kansas have faced unique challenges due to targeted regulations that exceed those for other healthcare providers. The stringent laws have made it difficult for clinics to operate, often leading to increased costs and logistical hurdles. The recent Supreme Court decisions could lead to more equitable treatment of abortion providers, ensuring safer and more accessible care for patients. Providers hope that the rulings will set a precedent for fairer regulations and improved healthcare outcomes. The debate over abortion rights continues to evolve, with significant implications for healthcare, politics, and individual freedoms. Kansas's recent rulings highlight the importance of judicial decisions in shaping the future of reproductive rights in the United States. As Kansas continues to navigate its legal landscape, these decisions mark a crucial moment in the ongoing fight for reproductive rights. The eyes of the nation remain on Kansas as it shapes the future of abortion access in the United States. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on critical issues shaping our world.